YouTube Wagwan, man, it's your boy Clicked, and you're now tuned in to Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at a most spoiled kids compilation. I don't know about you guys, but I've been seeing some kids outside with their parents sometimes dragging themselves on the ground because they didn't get a candy bar, stuff like that, and it drives me insane. Like, it makes me happy that I don't have kids right now. Not that I don't want kids, but it's just like I can't imagine what I would do in those situations, you know what I mean? But it is funny to see the parents' reaction, how they're embarrassed sometimes or whatever. So we're just gonna be looking at that today. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that sub button. Matter of fact, do that right now before you even start the video, man. Turn on post notifications. Drop a like. I'll really appreciate it. And let me know what you think about these kids, man. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
You bought in 2K15 instead of 2K16?
It was out of stock.
What the?
This little youth, bro, is he wild? Some mans don't even have a console. He's talking about 2K15 instead of 2K60. I would have just took that shit back and the system.
Alex, you can't have the computer.
Yes, I do! I like computing!
No.
Yes, I do!
No!
I wonder what makes kids think it's okay to move like this. Like, I know they're kids and they don't, sometimes they don't know what they're doing, but I'm sure he knows.
Hey, let's go! Yay!
Okay, fine, you can have it. Here.
Oh, that's why.
No, I'm kidding.
I hate you!
I love you.
I hate you!
I love you!
I hate you!
Why are you screaming at me?
Because I hate you!
Those other kids laughing in the background is not making this any better.
It's okay,
Alex.
You're gonna have to go on timeout still.
I want the computer!
Well, you're not gonna get it!
Simple.
But I got
No.
Alright, this kid's a little demon right here.
Yes, I do!
No.
He turned into a
No!
demon right now.
No! No! No!
Hey, what's wrong with this guy? Like,
It's not
yo,
yours.
this guy has gone off the milk. They gave him some warm milk and it is hitting him.
I know! And I want it!
It's not yours.
I say I know! And I want it!
Too bad.
Oh, okay.
Shut up, nigga!
What? No, this is definitely not his
He said,
parent
"Shut up,
recording.
Niglet."
What?
Can you repeat that?
Say it again.
Where did you get that from?
Why not? You said it.
Are you
Are
done
you
crying?
giving the silent treatment?
That's a little wild.
Yeah, he's done.
No!
Who taught him that word?
Continue.
I want the computer!
Uh,
I want
at this point, I wouldn't even be responding to his spoiler ass, to be honest.
Oh
Oh, shit. Okay.
Yeah, and I think the fact that they're taking it for a joke is inciting him in a way. You know what I mean?
Okay, I'm done.
You're gonna have to cry on your own, little man.
I went and spent an hour in the store
You
getting
shouldn't
you
have
a
done
phone.
it! You shouldn't have
Wait,
done that!
Alyssa, are you mad about getting an iPhone?
It's a 3.
Yo, I wonder
mad
how
at
old
you.
this video was.
Wait, what type of phone is it? Is it at least a 3S or is it just a 3?
Yo, I want to know what time this was recorded.
This is a dinosaur.
Wait, how old is it?
I don't know.
I wouldn't say she's that spoiled to be honest, 'cause that's just
You realize you're crying over a phone?
Shut up.
funny.
Are you ready?
Okay, here we go. No, don't let it.
Why? We're going to sing happy birthday.
Mm.
We have to sing happy birthday first. Okay.
The fact that she's even putting up with that shit.
Hey, Devin, how are you doing?
Yeah,
Hey.
my kid could never do that shit. Party's over, everybody go home. You get me?
Happy birthday to you.
Tristan.
Happy birthday.
Bro, what is wrong with this young man?
guys,
Adam's
here.
kid.
So I needed to make a video because something really bad happened. What
Okay.
happened was I got in a fight with my mom because this is the phone I wanted,
Okay.
Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus, and
Okay.
this is the phone I got, Samsung Galaxy S6. And as you can see, there's a pretty drastic difference between the two. So
I'm not gonna lie to you, Ray Charles over here. I don't see that difference. A little wild.
that made me really angry, and I broke one of my MacBooks.
One of.
The reason I need 4 MacBooks is because this one's for sending messages, this one's for receiving messages, this one is for blocking messages, and then this one right here is for leaving
Nah, she a paid actor.
messages on scene. And the one that broke is this one right here in my hand, and as you can see, there's some marks on it. They're very faint, but it's still really...
Bro, these things can only exist in North America or first world countries, you know what I mean? What? Kids having 4 laptops? When could I ever do that growing up in Jamaica?
affects the quality of the computer. Another bad thing that happened was my favorite key, the W key, right here, it fell off, so I
She has a favorite key. Like, this kid is
can't use it
delusional.
anymore. So I really, really, really need a new MacBook or money to fix this one. And we can't afford it right now because we're really financially struggling from medical bills because I sustained an injury while I was beating up my laptop. So this one right here, band-aids on it and everything. Yeah, if you guys could donate to me to get a new MacBook or to fix this one, then that would be a lot of help because I really do need all of these MacBooks.
This
and
kid's a
it
paid
isn't
actor.
my fault that I broke my laptop.
It
This
isn't.
one's just
Obviously,
as
it's your
important
mom.
as this one. This one's just as important as this one. And then this one's just as important as the rest, except it's
Yeah, honestly, I think this kid is a paid actor, and I think this is a skit. There's no way this is
a
true.
little more important because it has a pink keyboard. But yeah, you get my point. So thanks for watching, and please
No.
donate to me.
We do not get it.
What are we gonna do? Huh?
It's not even funny, Dad. You know.
Here, baby, look. What's wrong with this phone? Look
What
at
is
it.
that?
Yo, I don't even know what type of phone that is, but her reaction is funny.
What's wrong with that phone?
What is this? Is this from 2008? Are you freaking serious right now?
Baby, it's got a SIM.
First of all, why are you wearing shoes in the house? I don't understand how people do that shit. A little strange to me.
Part, a
Alright.
battery, everything.
It's not even funny. This phone is better than that.
What? That's the top of the line LG. Here.
Water
No,
refrigerator.
what I
Here.
wanted. Give me the real
All right,
phone.
open this one then.
Not that spoiled. I think that's funny. I played that prank on my kid.
How did you even get that? Oh my god, how did you even
Be
get
careful with that
this?
knife,
What
man.
is it?
I don't know.
Oh my
This kid was stressed. She was actually stressed about the phone.
god. I
Man.
don't like you.
Just open
This
it.
better be a real phone. If it's
I hope
not,
it
I'm
is.
gonna be so
I'd love it to be a picture of a phone.
And actually, that's Mama's phone, and you're getting another one just like it. I got y'all on the real deal.
What are
Walkie-talkie?
you talking about? Give me my phone.
You and Mom are on
Oh,
LG.
I thought this was another one of this.
It's even
It's
worse.
not even funny, Dad.
Oh. I already kept that joke
Your
running for a
cheeks are
long
really
time.
red.
Because I'm
I
mad.
love
Because you
you.
put.
Get a job.
No, I don't. This is Silas throwing a fit because his beach ball blew away. I'm sorry, honey.
Daddy, go get it!
Yo, it's one thing if he's acting like that and like nobody's on the beach, but if people are on the beach and he's acting like that, we're leaving the beach immediately.
You may not talk to Daddy like that, son.
Oh, he was talking to his dad. Bro, man, these kids are different.
know you're sad, sweetheart.
This consoling shit that she's doing is just fucking annoying me. Now he's gonna come into my car with all
I'm
that
so
sand
sorry,
all over
sweetheart.
him.
There'll be other beach balls in your
And
life.
get my
We'll
shit
get
ready.
some someday. You may not talk to me that way. Do you need time out? I'm sorry you're sad. I know, honey. We'll get another one someday. So sorry, sweetheart.
bro.
Ready for something to eat?
No, I want my beach ball.
I know, but let's hope.
It's crazy, you know, at that age, you probably think like you're losing your beach ball is probably one of the worst things ever. Little do you know, you're gonna have bills, heartbreaks, all that shit to come up to. So man, just be happy that's what you lost.
People
right
out on the boat can get it and give it to one of their kids, okay?
now. How is that good? How is that gonna console the man?
I want another beach ball.
All right,
Well,
hold.
maybe Dollar Tree has one. You want to do something to earn some money to get another one?
No. No, I want that beach
All right, brother, you're not getting it.
Sweetheart.
I want that beach ball.
You know what? We don't throw things.
Yeah,
We
this
don't
is
scream
serious.
like that.
I
We don't
know.
act like that. Pick up the chairs and bring them back now.
Bro, what?
I hope you're not
The
disappointed.
beach ball.
Bro,
I know
this
you're
kid-
upset,
This
sweet
kid is killing me, bro. I don't know what did he do? What was that drop motion he just did?
heart. I understand. But we don't throw chairs. We don't scream. Silas, pick up the chair and bring it back over here. And we're
All
going
right,
to
honestly, Silas sounds like a demon child's name. So
sit down together.
that's where you went
Come here.
wrong.
I want my beach ball.
I know, sweetheart. I'm so sorry.
Mommy, you should bring an extra beach.
Well, I just picked that one up at the yard sale. There was only one. All right, let's sit down and have some lunch, okay?
All I know, he's gonna sleep good tonight with all that rage he's trying to put out there. He ain't got that much energy in his little ass body.
Come on. Do you want a drink of water or do you want some sandwich?
You see, this is my issue. Like, you see, growing up in Jamaica, you would never be able to. The tantrum has lasted way too long. It would have been done. You know what I'm saying? That's how we got raised. I'm not saying you should do that to no kid, but there's no way we're staying at the beach. We're not gonna stay at the beach. We're not gonna stay at the beach. You're moving like that. We're out. Simple.
I know, honey. Can you still
And I'm explaining to you. We'll get another.
see it? It's far away, isn't it? Say bye-bye, beach ball.
No!
You may
Yes.
not talk
And she's antagonizing him too. Like
to me like that. Come sit down right now. We're done. Yep. Okay. All right. I love you, sweetheart.